po ako nabubulol sa mga shoots ko, pero nakailang take talaga ako sa mga eksena ko because I was so nervous. And it was also nice because it's refreshing that you're nervous about something you love because it kind of brings back the feeling of when you first started. And again, like what I said, McDonald's has been a core memory for me and my friends and my sisters because we truly did grow up with McDonald's.
Yes, and I love that. You know, once you know you're nervous, that's how you know you care about
Yes,
what
and
you're
you
doing.
love what you do.
Exactly. And a little while ago, you were talking about how, you know, every 10 pesos, the rewards come to the app. So maybe you could give a little refresher again to everybody here. So they're just wondering, how does my McDonald's rewards work?
Okay, so first and foremost, syempre pag nag-order kayo ng McDonald's, syempre para sa sarili niyo yun, dahil pagod kayo, dahil gusto niyo mag-enjoy, i-treat niyo yung sarili niyo. But of course ngayon, may rewards. It's not just rewarding for yourself, but it's rewarding for your friends, your family, because for every 10 peso, may point ka. So, ipon ka lang ng ipon. And so that's when you can avail, when you dine in, when you take out, and then mag-drive-thru. So, isa-scan ka lang. So, it's very easy. In fact, madami na akong points kasi love ko. Iniipon ko siya.
Baka may mamaya, points reveal.
Pwede naman.
Wow, we love it. But parang fashion lang yan, I'm assuming, because every piece builds to the whole look. So with every order, every bite, that rewards, you know, stack up, and then eventually you get the rewards. But speaking of fashion, I think we have to talk about the dress. The dress is so cute, right, everyone? I love this. I was actually gonna ask if McDonald's was like a fashion look, what would it be? But I think you already gave it to us.
Isinama ko na siyang lahat sa dress ko.
Oh, so give us like a little background. Like, how did this happen? It's so cute.
Okay, so I had another dress for the event. Pero parang sabi ko, parang kulang kasi hindi ko masabi yung nasa... ganun ako pa nag-ibihis ako. Gusto kong ma-translate ko yung nafe-feel ko. And how, the best way to translate how I feel is putting everything I love in a dress. And this is by Cheetah, who's here. And then also, my stylist, Isa Sim, siya din yung tumulong sa akin. And ayun na siya. Diba? May narating yung kaartehan ko.
Oh, I love that. No, very good. And obviously it's iconic, you know, McDonald's colors
Yes.
as well. So we would love to know if, you know, certain what your favorite products from McDonald's, what would they be in terms of fashion? Like maybe the fries could be an iconic something.
Okay, so the fries, actually, bumili po ako ng, salamat po sa talent fee ko, bumili po ako ng bag na french fries, hindi lang talaga siya umabot today. But it would be a nice bag, bejeweled bag, diba? And then, I think the burger would be a nice cute hat. And then, the rice can be like some, siguro, tassel dress.
Yes.
Why not?
Why not?
Buo na siya.
Baka one day, no, those could be the rewards,
Sana
prizes.
nga. Kung meron lang silang chance, I don't mind. Pwede tayo mag-brainstorming po. Ako na pong bahala sa mga
Yes, a heart collab, no? Oh my gosh, that would be so cool for the rewards points. We love that. And as you can tell, madaming points yan.
Madaming points yan. Bawat kagat may point yan.
Yes, that is so true. And of course, we would love to know more about, you know, having this, all of this. Well, talking about how you've been such a fan of McDonald's, we want to know, you've been talking, you know, ever since you were young, ever since in your childhood, what is your go-to order at McDonald's?
Siyempre na bata ko, Happy Meal. Iniipon ko lahat ng Happy Meal.
Yes.
Lahat ng mga toys, ganyan. Pero for me, yung go-to ko, ang hirap ng tanong kasi ang dami kong go-to. Of course, the chicken, spaghetti, yan, given yan. Depende yun kung gaano kapagod ako nung araw na yun. Pero sa akin, kunwari on the go ako, it would be chicken nuggets.
Yes.
Yun talaga. Chicken nuggets, talaga, barbecue sauce. Thank you sa pag-effort, Thank you so much. Barbecue sauce, or yung ultimate favorite ko is Filet-O-Fish. Yes, kasi meron akong art ng paano kumain ng Filet-O-Fish.
Yes.
Gusto mo bang malaman?
Yes, we want to know. Paano ba kinakain?
Maarte na ako pero mabuti akong tao. Pero gabi lang kumain ng Filet-O-Fish. Dinidismantle ko siya. Inuunti-unti ko. So, ang una kong kagat, yung una kong kakainin, yun nasa ilalim na bread na may na may dill, may mayonnaise, and then may pickles.
Okay.
Ang pangalawang kakainin, yung pinaka-fish fillet na may natuna na cheese sa ibabaw, unting-unting yun. Tapos yung pinakahuli, yung pinaka-best part, yung pinaka nasa ibabaw, mayonnaise, dill, tapos may cheese siya.
Wow!
Yan ang aking way. Yes.
Start 3 meals in one. Sulit na sulit.
Kaya sulit na sulit.
Oh my God, imagine mo.
And I'm not gonna forget yung, of course, soft serve. Tapos nilalagay ko yung french fries. Dadagdagan ko pa ng asin.
We have a lot of enjoyers of
Gutom na
that.
talaga ako today.
Oo, gusto ko yan. Ngayon, it's even better because all of your cravings may points
Yes!
na.
Para nga times 2 kasi, syempre ako, pero sinishare ko yung points ko kasi lahat kami sa Glam team ko, mamakdo kami. So every time meron kaming trabaho after, talagang mag-drive-through kami, ganyan. So syempre share the points naman, yun yung pwede ako sasakop ng lahat. So yeah, yun yung masaya. May points, so each time you eat, each time you reward yourself, you can reward others. So it's like sharing the love at the same time.
Yeah, it's very generous, you know. That's so true. I mean, we love food, but food is best enjoyed with those who
Yes. Iba talaga pag may kasama ko. Ako, weakness ko yan.
Yeah.
Malungkot ako pag mag-isa ako. So I like to share what I have.
Oh, diba? I love that. And of course, loyalty is very,
Yes,
very
yes.
important. Guys, mag-ingay kung loyal kayo. Oh, madami tayong loyal. Madami tayong loyal sa
Yung
ating
kapatid
health.
ko, lakas ng sigaw.
Oh, very loyal, no? Very loyal. But
Yeah.
of course, this is such an amazing collab. It got everybody talking. So what can we look forward to with this collab between you and McDonald's?
Well, para sa akin siguro, I can say, it's not bound with a contract for me. Because truly, if you love a brand or you love a house, you're always going to be there no matter what. So for me, we can collaborate on anything. Ako naman free-flowing ako pagdating sa ganyan because it'll always bloom into something if you love it truly. So I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to more collaborations together.
Yes, we can't wait. We've been talking
And more
a lot,
rewards.
Yes,
Yes.
more rewards, more points for everybody, more love, more McDonald's
Exactly.
for everybody. But before we let you go, Heart, do you have a message to all of our McDonald's fans here today?
First, I just want to say hello to everybody watching. Hello po mga madam, sir. Nice to see you all. And I just want to say thank you also to my fans. Oh my God, you know yung mga fans ko yung iba, sabay-sabay po kami tumanda together. So mga 19 years old pa lang kami, magkakasama na kami. Special mention din sila Nestle, na nurse na ngayon. I just want to say thank you because through it all, you're still holding up my banners. So thank you so much for your effort. And to everybody here, good afternoon, and to my McDonald's family, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal because I will truly give my heart and soul into everything I do because truly from day one, talaga since day one, mahal na mahal ko na talaga ang McDonald's. So I'm so grateful. Thank you very much.
Yes, and thank you, Heart, for your generous time here today. We are so happy. Let's give everybody, let's give Heart a round of applause and welcome her to the McDonald's family. But obviously, to have such a special event, we're gonna capture this right